Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional of Monday, July the 26th, 2021. And we have here 6 puzzles, and I only do 3 of them. And this one is the last one, a tectonic with 1 star. If you can think logical, then this one tectonic puzzle is nice to solve, but you need to know how to solve. So first, this tectonic with a 1 star will be number 3154. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 19 printed digits, so should be an easy one, of course, because it's a 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. All right, and the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Can we see here a dual box? I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet, but let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 or a 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those. Then can we see here a triple box? A triple box, I see only one triple box. The 1 is already filled in. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. So the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 3. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Quadra box. Do we see any quadra boxes here? No, I cannot see any quadra boxes here. So then the following strategy is to recognize some figures or shapes or structures or construction, whatever you name it. Well, we have here the L shape and the L shape. Remember that this box is always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this shape. Well, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, this box is connected with that box. So this box is connected with that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay, this shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following figure. How about this figure? Yeah, this figure. Okay. This figure. This box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. I have another shape or figure, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then we have one figure left. This one, a Z construction. Yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. And also, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so in this case, it's a 1. All right. And it's connected with that box also. So this should be also a 1. Alright. Those are the figures. There are more. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures, but there are more figures that you need to recognize. But in this puzzle, we have only 5. Alright, then the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Then two boxes, sorry, those two boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1, can it be 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Then in this cross area, those two boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. In this area, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. In this area, 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this area for the numbers for the number 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 5. But I see here double 2 here. That means that I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it must be a 5, this box. Alright, and this box is connected with that box. So we also have 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Alright. Then. How about this box? No. That box. Yes. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can it be 2, can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. I think. Let me think. I think. No, I cannot think. How about these two boxes? Can it be a 3? These two boxes can it be a 5? So the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 3 and a 5. That means the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Alright, 3 and a 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 1. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 2, and the final 2 numbers of this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finishing 12 minutes, faster than 50 minutes. So it's correct, a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Just go below and you find the links of all the PDF files of the additional. Yes. I have also a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplets, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.